In this video, we are going to understand the damage assessment done by the Bitcoin price across the whole crypto market. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And guys, meron din tayo actually ngayon na iPhone 13 giveaway brought to you by Bybit. So if gusto nyo sumali sa ating iPhone 13 giveaway, you can actually find this in the description down below. So let's talk about the Bitcoin price. So siguro a quick recap of what we were expecting, and siguro let's look at this in the daily time frame first kasi if you can see, di ba previously around, kailan ba to? I think that is 5 days ago, almost 5 days ago, we were expecting a downward movement kasi yun nga, may bearish divergence and our major support are actually the 50 and 100-day moving average. And as you can see right now, it's currently playing out. And right now, I think these are the levels that you should be watching out for. So firstly, by 50-day moving average, we should hold that line. But if hindi natin na-hold yan, then our next major support would be around this 100-day moving average, which is steadily increasing up by the day. And right now, it's falling around the 53K. So yung major support natin would be around the 53K as of the time being. And yeah, I think this is a healthy pullback pa din still. Kasi as you can see, we are still above this orange line, which indicates na we are still bullish pa din kay Bitcoin. It's just a normal pullback. And as you can see, the RSI is rapidly declining, indicating na nare-reset natin ng sobra yung indicators natin. And we all know na pag nare-reset yung ating indicators, that is a good thing for the Bitcoin price kasi we are able to get new momentum to pump to the upside. And the next thing na gusto natin makita dito is what we want to happen is we want for this to stabilize at the same time yung RSI is increasing. Yun yung gusto natin makita dito kay Bitcoin. So right now, yun yung kailangan natin i-monitor if we are going to see a bullish divergence dito sa ating daily time frame. And yeah, right now wala pa tayong nagpo-form. So as of now, there are still no bullish indicators yet. But if I were you, I would be buying off the dip. And yeah, buy using DCA strategy. Buy upon every dipping levels. And remember na dollar cost average is the best strategy in buying the dip. Mahirap kasi mag-abang ng deepest dip kasi hindi natin sure kung talagang abot ba tayo dito. But for now, if I were you, dollar cost average and buying the dip as well as 100-day moving average yung maganda tingnan and look out for a bullish divergence. Now looking at this in a shorter time frame, so 4-hour time frame, ang inaabangan natin dito is mag-form ng bullish divergence, diba? And diba sabi ko sa inyo, the price must decline. At the same time, the RSI should increase. But right now, we are not yet seeing that. So indicating na hindi tayo nagkaroon ng bullish divergence in the 4-hour time frame. So in this case, what we are going to do is we are going to wait this one out again and just buy the dip following dollar cost average. And yeah, I don't think that this is a swing tradable opportunity yet, not unless mag-form tayo ng bullish divergence. And yeah, I think ang pinakamagandang abangan na bullish divergence is actually in the daily time frame, which is sa ngayon wala pang bullish divergence. So right now, we need to wait this one out before entering into a new trade, especially sa malalaking trades with the Bitcoin price. And the question is, how does this affect the whole crypto market? So para malaman natin yung performance ng crypto market, what we have to look at is the Bitcoin dominance. And as you can see, if you're going to look at the overall trend right now, the Bitcoin dominance is moving sideways. Pero ever since that dip, nag-decline din yung ating Bitcoin dominance. And we all know, pag nade-decline yung Bitcoin dominance, altcoins are going to perform better than Bitcoin. And if pataas to, then it would mean Bitcoin is going to perform better. And as you can see right now, it's actually declining, indicating na altcoins are performing better against Bitcoin. So right now, despite of Bitcoin declining, I think we are seeing a very healthy market for the time being kasi yun nga, despite of this pullback kay Bitcoin, the dominance is still declining, indicating na healthy altcoin market natin. And you can actually see that with Ethereum kasi as you can see kay Ethereum, despite of Bitcoin declining at hindi nagsusustain yung ating movement, you can see na hindi tayo nag-form ng bullish divergence. But if you're going to look at the Ethereum price action, nagde-decline yung price. Pero at the same time, nasusustain pa din natin yung ating bullish divergence, indicating na altcoins are looking very healthy right now. So, at some point in time, if let's say nagkaroon tayo ng rebound dito kay Bitcoin, if let's say nag-consolidate to further, I think we are going to see an Ethereum pump dito or hindi naman Ethereum pump. Let's see, mas healthy yung price action ni Ethereum kasi yun nga, bullish divergence at the same time, dominance is declining, indicating na altcoins are currently performing well against Bitcoin. So I think maganda tingnan ngayon si Ethereum when it comes to this rebound, especially yun nga, may bullish divergence. And yeah, yun yung i-monitor natin for the coming days if this is going to play out for the Ethereum price action. So yeah, that is for the Ethereum price action. Looking back at CROs, you can see nagkaroon tayo ng major wick to the downside ever since the Bitcoin dip. But as you can see, nag-play out yung ating support levels exactly as predicted, which is the 38 cents, which nagkaroon tayo ng strong support. And right now, yeah, I think we're still going to consolidate between the 38 cents up until the 57 cents. So right now, I think we are just going to consolidate dito kay CRO. And speaking of CRO, if you guys want to stake your coins kay Crypto.com, you can actually stake your coins here in Crypto.com. And if you actually own any CRO, you can actually stake that and earn this Metal Visa card na pwede mo makuha sa Crypto.com. And yes, you can also stake here. And guys, if you want to claim up to $50 bonus kay Crypto.com, you can actually use my sign-up code, which is GabsCrypto. And if you are going to sign up with my sign-up code, you are now entitled to our future promotions and future giveaways na pwede natin ibigay with Crypto.com. So sign up kayo with my sign-up link so you can get a lot of perks with Crypto.com. So that is for the CRO price action. I think we're going to consolidate further. Let's look at BNB. So as you can see, BNB, it's pretty much, I think it's pretty much similar with Bitcoin. So as you can see, nag-decline and wala pa tayong bullish divergence. So in this case, I think we're going to consolidate further with BNB between the 508 up until the $588. So that is what we are going to monitor right now for the BNB price action. And last but not the least, let's look into SLP. Kasi right now, diba, so kay daily time frame, we are below the moving averages. So indicating we are bearish. But if you're going to look at the 4-hour time frame, we are now getting oversold. Kasi look at that. Nag-hit tayo sa 30 threshold kay RSI, indicating na that was a good buying opportunity. And on top of that, look at that. Nag-play out yung ating bullish divergence exactly as predicted dito. So let's look at this in the hourly time frame. So ayun, nag-play out yung ating bullish divergence exactly as predicted at that movement. And as you can see, nagkaroon tayong movement kay RSI. But right now, we are seeing also another bullish divergence for the hourly time frame. So ayun na may declining price, increasing RSI, indicating na that is a bullish divergence or a bullish trend reversal. But on top of that, if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, you can actually now see na we are starting to form a much bigger bullish divergence, which is ito, declining price, increasing RSI, indicating na we are seeing somewhat of a bullish movement possible kay SLP. So right now, I think maganda i-monitor si SLP kasi right now, I think we are seeing a short-term opportunity right now for SLP. Pwede ito siguro mag-pump. But yeah, siguro monitor nyo siya kasi right now, I think we are seeing a healthy movement right now with SLP, especially with the Bitcoin dominance declining, indicating na it's a healthy altcoins market right now for the crypto market. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible as well as Ethereum, you can actually trade it with Bingbon. And if you want to claim bonus kay Bingbon, you can actually use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. So ayun muna update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.